Good morning students. Today I am explaining voltage division rule when two resistors are connected in series. First we draw the series circuit. Let us consider two resistors. This is the resistor R1. This is the resistor R2. Series connection means second terminal of the first resistor is connected to the first terminal of the second resistor is known as series connection. We are applying voltage Vt. The current flowing through the circuit is It or total current. Voltage across the resistor R1 is V1. Voltage across the resistor R2 is V2. Vt is equal total voltage in volts. It is equal total current in amperes. RT is equal total resistance in ohms. V1 is equal voltage across the resistor R1. V2 is equal voltage across the resistor R2. Resistor R2. Vt is equal total voltage in volts. It is equal total current in amperes. RT is equal total resistance in ohms. V1 is equal voltage across the resistor R1. V2 is equal voltage across the resistor R2. In case of series circuit, current flowing through the each resistor is same. It is equal I1 is equal I2. According to Ohm's law, It is equal Vt by RT. I1 is equal V1 by R1. I2 is equal V2 by R2. First, we are taking the It and I1 values. It is equal I1. This can be also write down I1 is equal It. I1 means according to Ohm's law, I1 is equal V1 by R1. V1 by R1 is equal It is equal Vt by RT. V1 by R1 is equal Vt by Rt means two resistors are connected in series. Rt is equal R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. Substitute this Rt value in this equation. Rt is equal R1 plus R2. This R1 comes to this side. Vt by R1 plus R2. This R1 comes to this side. It will becomes multiplication manner R1. This is the voltage across the resistor R1 value in voltage division. V1 is equal Vt by R1 plus R2 into R1. Similarly, we find out the V2 value. We find out the V2 means we are taking the IT and I2 values. We are taking IT and I2. We can write down IT is equal I2. This can be also write down I2 is equal IT. I2 means according to Ohm's law V2 by R2. V2 by R2. IT means VT by RT. VT by RT. V2 by R2 is equal VT by RT means two resistors are connected in series R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. This R2 will comes to this side. V2 is equal Vt by R1 plus R2. This R2 will comes to this side. It will be formed multiplication into R2. This is the voltage across the resistor R2 values. This can be also write down V2 is equal, Vt means total voltage. Total voltage into R2. R2 means we find out the V2 value. Same resistor. Same resistor by sum of the two resistors over sum of all resistors. Sum of all resistors. This is the voltage across the second resistor formula in voltage division rule form. Thank you, one and to all.